In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag all members in Telegram. If you've ever needed to get everyone's attention in a Telegram group, you've probably noticed there isn't a built-in tag all button. The easiest way to reach everyone at once is to use a specialized bot designed for group mentions and for small groups. You can manually mention members one by one. I'll walk you through both approaches so you can choose what fits your group. First, let's use a bot. Open Telegram and use the search bar at the top to look up a bot like Group Helpbot. You can do this from the bot's page by choosing the option to add it to a group, or from your group settings by adding the bot as a member. Many groups also make the bot an admin so it has permission to mention users properly. You can adjust those permissions in your group settings if needed. Once the bot is in your group, configure it to recognize the command that tags all members. The exact commands can vary by bot. So open the bot's help or settings inside the chat and follow the prompts. Some bots support shortcuts like typing at all or at everyone, while others require a specific command message that the bot listens for. After configuring, try a test message in your group. If the bot supports at all or at everyone, type that in your message or use the bot's command as instructed. The bot will then respond by mentioning members, often in batches to avoid spam and platform limits. Use this sparingly and only when necessary to keep your group tidy and respectful. If your group is small or you don't want to use a bot, you can manually mention people. In the message field, type the @ symbol and Telegram will show a list of members. Tap a name to insert the mention, then continue typing @ to add the next person. Keep your message concise so everyone understands why they were tagged, and consider the best time to send it to avoid unnecessary notifications. A few tips to wrap up. Choose a trusted, well-reviewed bot. Read its help guide so you know the exact syntax, and let your members know you. Only use group-wide mentions for important updates. For manual mentions, double-check you've included everyone you need and keep the tone clear and polite. That's it. Thanks for watching.